Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix your TikTok app on your settings. So we'll just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down and you click here on apps, then you come to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here to looking for TikTok app here, and this is window. You just keep going to find TikTok app, and we will find the TikTok. We will click here on TikTok, then we come to a next window here, and this is window. You just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, you click here on storage and you come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all TikTok settings. So see you.